Well, it's a beautiful day for football. No complaints whatsoever on that front here at Old Trafford. I'm Derek Ray, positioned here on the commentary gantry, and alongside me at the microphone is Stuart Robson. And we're always thrilled when a new campaign begins. That's the case here. It is the first match of the new season. It's Manchester United taking on Liverpool.
Yeah, what an exciting matchup, Derek. Start of a new rivalry, and they'll both be so eager to take the bragging rights here on the opening day of the season. I can't wait for this. Hopefully it lives up to the billing.
No luck for Sadio Mane. This is the team Manchester United will go with. David De Gea starts in goal. Victor Lindelof plays alongside Rafael Varane in central defence. Bruno Fernandes plays alongside Scott McTominay in midfield. And leading the attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, Derek, big moment here.
And running through to the keeper. Ronaldo lost it. Seemed to switch off for a moment, and now a throw-in. Mane. Henderson. It comes to nothing in the end. Mane. Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
Mane has a go. Still could be dangerous. But it looked so threatening, but the danger averted.
Well, so close to seeing an early goal here. It's a great save, you have to say.
And taken away, he won the ball. And room now out on the flank. Could go ahead. Oh, the crossbar is still reverberating. And the goalkeeper got there.
Well, that could have gone anywhere, but the keeper's reacted really well. Well, they won't come closer than that, but they are creating chances, and surely a goal is coming.
And a chance to whip it in here. He made it look simple, really. Fabinho. Sadio Mane now. Mane. Looking for that final pass. Looking for the goal that would put them ahead. And Thiago. Teammate available. Well, spot on with that challenge. Nice and easy for the keeper. It's a high-level tackle. Brilliant. It is advantage Liverpool here. Mane cuts it back. And he finds the net. He could hardly miss.
Well, as you can see, the defending is really poor, but he won't mind. It's a simple finish for him.
So back in action, and it's up to United now to be inventive. Scott McTominay. Here is Fred. Well, great read there to intercept. Oh, a lovely ball. Could be. And another one. Two quick goals. Will it turn out to be the two-punch knockout?
Well, just watch this again. It's a really good goal, but it's no surprise, is it? They've been in complete control here.
Well, a second goal for them here. Not a successful intervention, winning the ball back. Fred. Diogo Dalot on the ball.
Well, there you have it. Liverpool have controlled most of the possession, and they've made good use of it. They really have played some good attacking football, and they look like scoring more.
Scott McTominay. Mane. Oh, good-looking run. A goal! Another one! It's turning into an absolute demolition job.
Well, let's take another look. And it doesn't come much closer than this, does it? He just squeezed it in off that post. Very good finish.
Well, the game is restarted, and Liverpool, quite frankly, running away with this one. Fred. Taken away. Running room galore for United. Well, it stopped a promising attack in its tracks, and you wouldn't be surprised if there's a card coming out here. And following the infringement, a caution.
Yeah, no surprise there. That was always going to be a booking.
Fred. Cristiano Ronaldo. Slipshod passing. A bit sloppy in possession. Salah. It's with Fabinho. Alexander-Arnold. And played in. Well, didn't really work the keeper when all was said and done. They're getting right on top of their opponents and winning it back. Is it going to be? And that will do it for the first half here at the Theatre of Dreams. Well, how often do we say this? Back in business, and United's struggles were there for all to see in the first 45. Can they put up a better fist of it? Difficult to stop him. McTominay. And back with Bruno Fernandes. And pulled back. Well, he's been ruled offside. And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Salah. Mane. Superb block. Well, it would have been a chance, but the run was mistimed. Offside. Liverpool have the ball once more. Oh, and a perfect ball now. How about this? Ball is loose. What a vital intervention. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Well, an example of a counter-attack that went nowhere. Mane. And back with Thiago. Can he put it in? Still could be dangerous. Well, that header was never going to be problematic for the goalkeeper.
This is a message for Andy Tucker. That's Andy Tucker. Can you please return to your vehicle immediately? Thank you.
Oh, he's gone for goal. Oh, and it goes! Sensational strike! And now he deserves to celebrate.
Well, here it is again. The little 1-2 starts it all off, but there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep him at bay and finishes with aplomb. It's a great goal.
So on with the action, and 3-1 the scoreline at the moment. Sadio Mane, useful looking attack this. He has time to play it over. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. Could be! In it goes! The lead just gets bigger! Surely they can't let this slip now! Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. A move of promise on the flank. And a timely intervention. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Oh, that is a superb save. Fabinho. Mane. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. And Mohamed Salah now. And the goalkeeper will claim it. And the keeper not thinking it through. Well, unfortunately. He couldn't keep the shot down.
Coming off the pitch, number 10, Sadio Mane. And number 6, Thiago. Coming onto the pitch, number 20, Diogo Jota.
And into the last 20 minutes. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes has it. And what a magical save it was! Here's a change for Manchester United. Can someone get on the end of this? And taken cleanly by the goalkeeper. An awful lot of green space to run into. Chance here. No way through. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. And into the last 15 minutes of action. And the keeper's delighted to see that sail well over the bar. Goal kick. Alex Telles has it. It's with McTominay. The Red Devils have lost the ball. And the referee says play on, advantage Liverpool. Henderson, he's in here. Trying to lob the keeper. Oh, we have just witnessed a special moment. Pure quality.
Well, this is a very good finish. He just does enough to get it over the keeper. He'll certainly be pleased with that.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now.
Substitution for Manchester United. Coming off the pitch, number 39.
A bit of running room now on the wing. A glorious chance. Not out of the woods yet. And a goal it is. But offside is the verdict.
Well, it's a good finish, but he was just offside. Great decision by the assistant.
Fred. Bruno Fernandes. In position. Oh, that's a fine save. Henderson. Salah. Goalkeeper should take charge. Always going to be the goalkeeper's ball. Marcus Rashford. Perfectly positioned to take it away. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. The referee has let the advantage accrue to Liverpool. Oh, big chance! It's got to be! Well, fantastic reflex action. And there's the final whistle. The grim news from the Manchester United point of view is that United haven't picked up anything from this game.
Well, Derek, that just wasn't good enough today. A lack of a game plan, too many...
Is a chore, and it's such a bore, 'cause I don't need them anymore. So, maybe if you just got some guts, we kill them with 1,000 cuts, and say we did it out of love. So save your breath, give a little of what you have left. Do they know something I don't? Is it easier when you don't have to count to 10, when you don't have to pretend? I want to know that feeling. Is it easier when you don't have to start again, when you don't want to make amends? I want to know that feeling. Good girls don't cry, and good girls don't lie, and good girls justify, but I don't. Good girls don't die, and good girls stay alive, and good girls satisfy, but I won't. They tell me up on revenge. I cut my teeth on weaker men. I won't apologize again. And I never had a taste for liars, or the uniquely uninspired, 'cause I don't need to be desired. Is it easier when you don't have to count to 10, when you don't have to pretend? I want to know that feeling. Is it easier when you don't have to start again, is a shore, and it's such a bore. But we don't need them anymore. We don't need them anymore. He's the only one I love, the only one.
Tu m'en as fait vivre des nuits. Je t'en ai fait vivre des supplices. Maintenant, je me plains de ton absence. Je ne peux avoir l'indécence de te laisser seul, c'est un non-sens.
He's the only one I love, the only one. He's the only one I love, the only one.
Tu te souviens de tout, je me souviens du goût de ton. Tu n'arrives pas à comprendre comment je pense. C'est peut-être ça au fond, l'adolescence. De te laisser seul, c'est un non-sens.
He's the only one I love, the only one. He's the only one I love, the only one. He's the only one I
Walking with you along, daring to dream, to hope. October sky, we try. What can we do but wait? But I'm telling you, gotta get some way for the morning come. Yeah, yeah, we gotta get some way for the morning come. For the morning come. Morning come, please let the morning come. 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 Please let lights turning green.